Okay. Alright. So I'm recording from the GoPro. I've also got my other camera, the loaner camera that I'm using for the vlogs on me as well. Because it's been storming pretty bad. I'm going to try to get some shots for the vlog today.
You had it rolling?
It's rolling.
It got that lightning strike.
It's rolling.
And it was a big one.
Well, it's rolling.
Not that one.
It's rolling. It caught it. It's going to be rolling until we get home. I deleted some other footage for this, so hopefully I can get some good stuff. Yeah, it's pretty rough today. This is the whole reason that I made that homemade map. Power's been in and out. Now, somebody went off the road back there.
Several off the road on 82.
I guess they pulled over.
Couldn't see this far in front of them.
Alright, you didn't stop. Hopefully this GoPro's recording alright. It's the same position I always use in most vehicles. So, hopefully it works. But, trying to see if there's any damage, but I'm not really seeing any actual damage. The wind was kind of high. I ain't going all the way out to 45. Still go get landed and we may still hang out, but it's just gonna have to be in the rain.
There's gonna be a lot of cleaning tomorrow, and I'm gonna do a lot of testes.
I hope the audio is picking up alright. Like I said, I got the open back door on this camera, so hopefully it's working alright. Kind of crappy, but weather. But anyway, I guess this is just sort of a driving vlog. We're going to get some food that we ordered. Ordered food for everybody, so we're going to pick it up. Getting some of those sunglasses that have the built-in camera, but I don't know. I'll see it. Hey, did you see this Silverado over here for sale? I wonder what's wrong with it. How much they want over it? You think it's still paying on it? Probably. It's clear this way if you can get past the Dodge Charger and BMW. They probably said the opposite of the order they wouldn't like it.
Oh, the roof got blown off some more.
Yeah, there's more roof going off of the old Sansing store. Was that sign twisted like that?
No.
So that sign was done today. Yeah, there's more roof. Dude, look at that. There's more roof peeled back. Definitely more roof peeled back.
I'll be out here with 30.
Nice puddle of water and a pothole right there. yesterday, and it did, like I said earlier, it didn't turn out. So, but there was a 3-car pileup about right here. That one person was stopped turning into one of these houses, and the other person was stopped behind them. But the person behind the other person didn't stop, so they pretty much sandwiched the person in the middle and knocked him into the person in the front, and then that person went off in the ditch. So it was a mess, to say the least. Mess. Nope, that's not it. Hope the GoPro's still recording. I'm gonna be really peed off if it's not. I know Riverside Logistics had day cabs. Maybe they do. Motorcycle parked there on the bridge. I don't know if it's a CPD motorcycle or not. CPD still running motorcycles?
Yep.
That ain't one of theirs. That's too fancy of a bike to be a police bike. There's 2 people on it. Oh, did you see that one? I don't think the GoPro got that one because I wasn't filming in that direction. It was right over the back of the truck stop. There's a line of cars and a distracted person or a broke down person up there. See it? Oh, no, they were just distracted.
Go ahead.
Holy stretch.
Been notified about this tree. I'm on scene.
And they ain't gonna yield, are they? No, they are not. You gonna yield, Dodge. I hate Dodge drivers.
It is blocking the road.
Don't ask me what's going on with this limo. It's got its 4 ways on. It's a limousine. I'm not even going to give the company a shout out because I've been in their limos before. That company's not worth a shout out. There ain't no telling what they're doing with 4 ways on. It's a limousine. You got no reason to have it on. That Dodge got its 4 ways on too. What about Dodges with the limo? Everybody got their freaking 4 ways on. Okay. After forever at the food place, we have a carload of food that smells awesome, and I'm starving, so it's gonna be the longest ride home ever for me. Still don't know what was up with the limousine and the Dodge pickup. What?
You'll see it again.
The Lightning?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Maybe if you sent it, the camera caught it. I didn't see it. I ain't paying no attention. I seen that over here this time. If you'd seen it out the front windshield, the camera caught it. But anyway, still don't know what was going on between the Dodge truck and the limousine. That stretched Ford Excursion. I don't know what the heck they thought they were doing, but they were not getting along, that's for sure. I don't think the Dodge guy liked us too much anyway. Floored it when we turned in, so. That's a nice truck. That's a nice Peterbilt there. Oh my gosh. Super nice. Anyway. Oh, wait. That's bright. I hope the camera picked that up. I don't know if it did or not. There's a nice Freightliner coming head on there. Behind an Isuzu. I-290 or something. Does Isuzu make those trucks too? Those must be rare.
25.
That's the first one I've ever seen. I guess that's the version of the Colorado.
You would advise MXP that we're going to need a unit on the south side of 69.
They ain't got
Weather
none
gets a little
available.
rough and this tree not visible in this weather.
MHP ain't got no units available. Did she not just say that a while ago? I wanted to ask for City to come out and assist.
34 to 25.
What happened last time we got? Oh my God.
Where exactly are you?
That was a bad lightning strike here. I don't know if the camera caught that or not. I don't think it did. I sure hope it did.
South of Lake Lounge Road.
They better quit coming around south or come to your location? Come to my location. MHP gets here. I think you've got another call over. Yes, sir, I do.
Yes, weather.
LA2 to 25 and 34. I'll go to the south side of that street. 34 to LA2, you will.
Hey, there's that truck, is that Mike's
Make
truck?
sure you don't say that you will. Go down and check Albert Road there near 69. I got a tree hanging low down there. I copy. As soon as you show me around to Albert.
I don't even remember what I was going to say now.
I got.
Did not even remember what I was going to say. Something I was going to say for the camera. I don't remember what I was going to say. This weather sucks. Now, that's a nice Chevy truck. I don't think you should be flying a flag in this weather, but I like the idea. Holy crap. Oh yeah, I caught that one. I know for a fact I caught that one. Probably the Thunder too. That was a good one. This storm's pretty active as far as electricity wise. Oh wow, did you see that one? That one's for some reason these lightning bolts are coming down broken. A lot of electricity in there. Wow. I said I never get storm footage. I guess I need to be in the car. Every time I'm in the car, I get good storm footage. I think I know exactly what to call this video now. Storm chasing and food. Storm chasing and getting food. By the way, if you're watching this video and you want some information about the food that we got, which I don't know why you would, I know some people would, go to my channel and find the vlog, the last vlog, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. be the one that comes out right before this video. Because I'm going to try, tonight's Friday night, I'm going to try Saturday morning if we have power to upload the vlog. Get it started uploading after I edit it tonight. I'm going to get it started uploading when I leave to go pick Landon up in the morning. I hope. I don't know. When I have power. And if that's the case, I'm going to be very, very grumpy. That's a good thing going on. I hope the camera comes out. Yeah, I'm going to be very grumpy if I don't have power. I like power. I like having electricity so I can have internet. Wow. Oh my.
34 Central, I'll be on 45.
Well, I know that camera got that. What was it? It looked like a little dog. It looked like a miniature deer. I was like, what? Yeah, there's a deer. That's yeah, it's picking up. Anyway, it's not making it close. But this is all part of living in the South. This is what you get. This is what the summers consist of. Severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. Not used to it around here now. Well, I think there's been more storms this year. I don't know what the heck this is. That's not a good place to be sitting.
Probably waiting on somebody. She's reading. She's looking for a place. She's looking for an address.
That's not a good place to be sitting. Oh, crap. You see that? I hope the camera got that. Oh, my. That feels under water. Lane Drive. Lake Lake now. I'm not going. It's probably a swamp. Well, I think right now it'd be a swamp for some days. That was actually good. Walking down the road. He's walking down the road even when it's fine. That's right. It's hard to see. I don't know if the camera can see any good or not. We can hardly see. I hope it's not too loud. I could play it back in the editor and then to adjust the volume. There's the driveway. There's the driveway. Down the driveway. Righto thing, we done made it home. So I'm gonna stop recording.